Hi folks, welcome to Barb Makes Things. Today I'm going to show you an easy way to make pretty flowers.
Barb Makes Things!
It's spring! No, wait, it's summer. Anyway, I was at the farmer's market a couple weeks ago running a crafting activity, making really simple flowers with wire and tissue paper. What makes this activity work really well is that it is so flexible. Very young kids can easily make a pretty flower. Older kids and adults can put in more detail and experiment with different kinds of construction. Let me show you. The basic gist is this. Cut a piece of wire. Fold it in half. Pick some tissue paper, as much as you like. Put it between the wires. Scrunch. Twist. Twist some more. Add leaves if you'd like. Keep twisting. Keep twisting. Shape. Flower. If you're doing this with kids, it's a good idea to fold over the ends of the wire and cover them with a little tape so no one gets poked. That's it. Seriously, that's it. Wire, paper, twist. But then you can also get fancy with it. For instance, try shaping the petals before wrapping the wire, and then wrap it around the bunched up backside. You can go even simpler and just stick the wire through the tissue paper. You can put some more tissue paper over those wires if you want to hide them. You can weave paper or other things into the wires. Add beads, add buttons. Spray the flowers with something that smells nice. Use scissors. Use those crazy pattern scissors to cut the tissue afterwards. You can weave yourself a flower crown. And obviously, you can make other things with wire and tissue. Remember that farmer's market I mentioned? I had 10 minutes free, so I made some tiny produce too, and gave them to some of the vendors there. The guy I gave the strawberry to gave me some of the best strawberries that I have ever had. Oh my goodness, I have dreams about these strawberries. You can use tiny scraps of tissue paper, or napkins, or coffee filters, or recycled mailers, whatever you want. I used 20 gauge wire, which was soft enough for young hands to bend, but strong enough to hold up a good amount of paper. Use whatever wire you've got. If it's too stiff, you might need pliers. If it's too soft, double, triple it up. Pipe cleaners would be great for this too. There is no wrong way to do this. Well, if you poked yourself in the eye. Okay, there's almost no wrong way to do this. Anyway, if you decide to make some flowers or anything else, share a picture with me on Twitter or Instagram. I'd love to see it. If you like this video, share it with a friend. If you didn't, share it with an enemy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Make sure to take a look at some of my other builds and how-tos. There are a lot of them. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you click the little bell, you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you'd like to get videos a little early and support my channel, you can visit my Patreon page. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.